Okay, so we have our tiny house here. We're gonna work on the back two little doors. So the first one, I forgot to tell you guys this, but you wanted to make sure that when you pulled your walls up inside the house, that you actually cut a 7-foot doorway in here. Otherwise, if you brought the walls all the way up but didn't do that, we can fix it. So just your walls, interior walls should kind of look like this. You can see that I have a very unfinished draft of this, but I'm going to show you how to put in the pocket door in the back here. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a section cut over here. We're going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and place it kind of on this wall and then use my arrow keys. I have not clicked the mouse at all. I'm going to use the arrow keys to select the plane. It's going to be that green plane right there. That's just going to slice the house right there and allow me easy access into this section of the house. So I suspect, I was kind of noticing that I think a lot of you guys, your doorways go all the way up. So if that happens, you guys will need to push them down, okay? Now this section, what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to bring this up like this, over like that, okay? And I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this section of doorway so that I can see the floor in this section. So perhaps, I wonder, I could probably hide it too. That would be another way. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Yeah, okay. Just kidding. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to hide, and then I'm going to go like this. I'm going to hide it, and then click this. I'm going to hide it. Hide, just for the moment so that I can see in here at this doorway. Okay, so this piece here, I need to actually cut a line that goes all the way up to here. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece out. So what I'm going to do is take the the line tool, and I'm going to draw from here all the way up, kind of pull back here, using that blue reference line there. Okay, I'm going to zoom in again. I'm going to do the blue reference line here. I'm going to really, it's very hard. It wants to snap. Okay. And then draw, making sure that I'm using that blue reference line as well. Okay. And then all the way up to that edge right there. I'm going to select this interior piece right here and delete it. So now I have a hole cut in my doorway. All the other geometry is there, it's just hidden, okay? I'm gonna get rid of, I had like a, section there. So I'm gonna actually, so I can see down below, I'm gonna select that piece right there and get rid of that. Okay, so what I want is this rectangle here, and I'm going to pull it up 7 feet. So this is, compared to the other door builds that we've done, this is going to be child's play for you guys. So I'm going to go like this. I don't know why my rectangle is behaving strangely. Oh, it's catching the edge here. Okay, you may have to zoom in a little bit. Go right in there. Okay. That's really, that's basically all you guys are going to have to do. I'm going to right click on this, reverse faces. Okay. I'm going to pull this up, push pull, up 7 feet. Okay. And then kind of pull out from here. Okay. And I'm going to, actually, I'm going to undo that and select this little section here. Okay, and then right click and go make group. Now I can double click inside and push pull up instead of doing it the other way, and then I get this nice crisp group. Before I do this though, I'm going to put a material on here. So I'm going to select, we're going to do a wood. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to do a wood color, and we'll maybe do this kind of like plywood color right here. Then when I push pull it up, it should come up as that wood color. So up, yeah. So 7 feet like that, hit enter. I kind of pull back. I stop editing that group, and then I just go over here. I can save this. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go unhide, and you can just go unhide all, and everything will come back. And there's your door. Okay, so that's one pocket door. You could put a piece of hardware on the outside if you want, right here. So usually pocket doors. So I'm inside the group right now. There we go. We'll do tape measure tool up 36 inches or 3 feet. And we'll go from the edge here, 3 inches. Okay, so we get that little right there. And you guys can do a very, very simple, you can do like a little rectangle, something simple that is just like a pull, because it's just going to slide. So maybe I'll do, let's see, 4 inches, comma, by 1 inch. Okay. And I'm going to select that face. I'm going to make it metal instead of wood. Make it like aluminum color. And I'm going to pull this out. Push, pull this out like this. You usually, I'm trying to think about how you would grab it. You don't have to think about it too much. We'll just do a 1 inch, little pull right there. And that's all you need. That's it. Okay. So there's your pocket door. Let's see. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the 3D warehouse. I'm going to collapse this. And we're going to type in folding door. Okay, and then you see we got these kind of accordion folding doors. There was one that I liked in here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can edit one. So yes, I'm 100% cheating with this, but it'll look nice. Okay, I want this Paravet one. So I'm going to download this. We're going to put it, I'm going to put it right here. Okay, pin it right there. Now, you can always edit things from the 3D warehouse. So if I can look inside here, I want to get rid of this piece. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that guy because we only want 2 of these. That's all we need. I'm going to select this piece. I'm going to rotate it. Actually, I'm going to select this piece. We're going to go move, and I'm going to grab this piece and put it right here. And I'm going to grab this one. We're going to rotate it on here. Whoops, I had the wrong one selected. There we go. So rotate here to here and kind of pull this one out like, whoops. Okay, there to there, and then bring this back. Okay. And then you can see it's kind of too big. So we really should, actually, I'll move this out really fast. Move this one out. Move this one corner to corner here. Okay. And we're going to grab this entire thing, and we're going to use the scale tool over here. And I want to grab the whole thing. So shift select both pieces, grab the scale tool. We're going to grab this guy, and I'm going to crush this down a little bit. There we go. Like so. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is move this. Okay, and then move that corner back into the doorway. And there we go. Also, it's not tall enough, so we have to scale that up as well, which is okay. You can take this, grab the scale tool. We're going to take this thing and move up until it fits in the doorway. And there we go. You have some pocket doors. You can keep arranging these until they fit properly. I don't like the way this is fitting. We'll just stretch them across the doorway. Stretch this way. There we go. So that's pocket doors that would, folding doors that would kind of buckle in the center as you open them up to get into the laundry room right here. You don't have to choose those doors. You can choose other doors. And I actually am going to move them out just a little bit. So I'm going to move this one out. Oops. Now I'm just making a mess of things. But anyway, you get the point. So just grab a folding door from the 3D warehouse, drop it in, and make it look good. Okay, that's it. Thank you.